Welcome. Today, we'll see how KaibanJS simplifies trip planning. From choosing your destination to organizing the details, everything is automated. Let's dive in and see how it works. As you know, planning a trip involves many manual steps. You have to select the right city based on factors like weather and budget, research local experiences, and create a day-by-day itinerary. It's time-consuming and often leads to missed opportunities. Let's meet the KaibanJS agents that simplify this complex process. Peter Atlas, the city selector agent, who chooses the best destination based on your preferences. Sophia Lore, the local expert agent, who gathers cultural insights and highlights must-see attractions. Maxwell Journey, the travel concierge agent, who crafts a detailed itinerary with daily activities and logistics. Together, they make trip planning seamless and enjoyable. After defining the agents and their tasks, we move on to configuring the team, which coordinates the entire process. For beginning, we set up the trip planning team and add the agents. Peter Atlas for destination selection, Sophia Lore for local insights, and Maxwell Journey for itinerary creation. With the team configured, we provide the necessary input parameters like travel dates and preferences. Once we start the workflow, the agents begin their tasks, and you'll see them progressing through the Kanban board, changing status from to do to doing, and finally to done. Clicking on an agent shows the number of iterations they perform to complete their assigned tasks. Once all tasks are completed, the final report is generated with detailed information. With KaibanJS, trip planning is effortless. Our agents take care of the details, so you can enjoy your journey. Whether it's a solo trip or family vacation, KaibanJS aligns everything to your preferences. Start planning unforgettable experiences today. Thank you, and happy travels with KaibanJS.